We're just putting some gas in the car. Let's check out this gas station here. Oh, they got a nice machine. Old school. Convenience right there. We are at the Yonge and just north of Yonge Street in Toronto on a massively stormy night. Look at that condo. Wow. Gas is price is $3.99. I don't even need any more ice. Is the gas going?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Phew. How much gas you got to put?
I'm gonna fill the tank.
Fill it up, fill it up. Let's go.
It's completely empty.
Crazy stormy nights in the city. How much is the gas here?
143.
143, almost 145.
Is that good?
That's pretty good. It's not bad, you know. It's charging us a lot of carbon tax. So it's a crazy stormy night in January. Yonge and Davenport. That's where we are. How much more? We're at $50 already.
Yeah.
$50. How much do you think it's going to be? I think it's going to stop
I think
us.
it's gonna be 83.
83?
Yeah.
Okay, whoever this is like Price is Right. I think it's going to be 80. You think 83? I'd say 84. Whoever goes closest to the dollar.
Okay.
Ding, ding, ding.
I haven't filled up in a long time.
Oh shit! Smells like skunk. Oh, 72. Oh my
A
God!
bit more.
It's not a good idea.
Oh, it's not? I always do that.
That's not a good idea. You're gonna wreck the something. 75. I win.
No, you said 84. I said 83.
Oh,
I'm
80.
closer.
84. So you win?
I win.
Oh, ding, 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 ding. What do we got for him, Bob? It's
Do I
a
win?
brand new car. A Honda Civic with California emission and extra carbon tax.
Yes.
Here you go. Beautiful.
Wait, it's got to click.
You don't need to put it on.
Yeah, you do. It's
Do
gonna
you?
fall out.
I always leave it off.
Might not be good.
All right, here we go. Do you need a receipt? No. And that's our gas prices. There you go. Let's get out of here. Whew. Getting gas with Film Mission and Hannah and Kieran in the back.
Wait.
Oh, what's going on?
I need a receipt.
It's not gonna give you a receipt.
I need one.
Oh no! Did you press receipt before?
I pressed receipt, but it didn't go. Like I heard the paper trying to go, but it didn't go.
Oh man, you wanna go in?
Yeah.
All right, I gotta go in. Oh, never it's easy. Are you okay back there? All right. Let's get inside there and see what's going on in here.
Thank you.
Nice stuff here, Inspector.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do they have pistachios here?
Do you have pistachio?
All right. How much are they for? All right. I'll just get.
Film Mission on YouTube.
All right. Thank you. Got pistachios.
Receipt?
Do we-
Thank you. Take care.
Pistachios?
Thank you. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Shopping at this beautiful pistachios. All right, let's go. Thank you. All right, here we go. Thanks for putting gas and buying snacks, late night snacks with us. Uh-oh. Hard to open the door. Okay, we're good. All right, you good?
Yes.
Thank you. Perfect. Now we got enough gas. We can go another 9 hours of driving. All right.
go.
Thanks for joining us for this gas and snacks. We'll catch you in the next film. Bye.
Bye.
Karen, you want to say bye?
Bye.
All right. Bye. All right. Let's get out of here. How much rain are we gonna get? Oh. Whoa, whoa. You can go all the way that way.
Straight? At
Well,
the
not
lights?
make a right and go straight. That's down.
Okay. Can you direct me?
Sure.
Can I go in this first lane?
Yeah,
Or is that a
sure.
turning lane?
No, that's a turning lane.
Okay.
That's a bicycle lane, you know, so you can't.
Oh, your
No,
favorite.
no. God, you can't see anything out of the window. Watch these people. There's people walking by. Oh. That's all right. All right. Anytime now. Anytime. Not in front of a logging truck. Okay. Right turn. Yeah. I thought I saw a logging truck. All right. Here we go.
We're going straight?
Yeah, straight. It's a beautiful gas station that we were at, Young Street, and we're going straight. Beautiful. Make sure you use one of the lanes.